This informational video just explains the part we make at Capital Vending. This essential piece is designed to help your coin tubes assemblies work and look a little bit better. These were often used in Coffee Inn's machines, sometimes on the sides of Antares machines. And typically here you'll see this plastic is cracking. The plastic is kind of cracking and breaking here. If this plastic is intact, I would actually leave it intact. And then this new piece right here will actually just fit directly over your old piece. It just presses down. And in this case, the plastic is missing, so I just need to kind of align the tubes. And this presses into place. It's a very, it's a machine piece. It's got a precision fit. So if you leave the existing piece, this will sit on top of it in the event that if this is in really horrible condition, the lower original piece can be removed, and this black plastic piece is made to go down a little bit lower. And then once you've installed this, you have a nice looking part, and your coin tubes won't fall out or get out of straight alignment. This is the conclusion. Thank you.